Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm collabing with Keto Diamond. Now, I'm pretty sure you all know who Joni is, and if you don't, then you can click that little link down in my description box to go check her out, because she is very informational. She knows all there is to know about keto. She's constantly learning, constantly studying up on it, and she's constantly experimenting and seeing what works for her and what doesn't. She has an amazing webpage where she shows you all the keto foods that work for her and what you can do to start keto. So I've been watching Joni since I started keto, pretty much. She's one of the first people that I found on YouTube, and she's always been very, very friendly. So we're doing kind of like a keto Buffalo Wild Wings at home. So she's making some amazing wings over on her channel, and I'm going to make some fried pickles because that's an appetizer that I love dearly and miss every time I go out to Buffalo Wild Wings. So I'm starting out with this here. So I'm going to need 2 eggs. I have some sliced pickles already. I'm going to need some grated Parmesan cheese, some heavy whipping cream, and some water in a bowl. This isn't dirty, it's just stained. Forget to mention, you're also going to need some almond flour, salt, pepper, whatever seasonings you want. I'm going to use this FreshJax garlic and herb, as well as we're going to be doing it in the air fryer. Don't mind, this is my Soleil water and my coffee station. It's a mess, I know, I'm sorry. But yeah, we're gonna do it in the air fryer. Okay, so in another bowl, you're going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of your salt. You're gonna take 1/2 cup of your grated Parmesan. Pepper, I put about a 1/4 teaspoon. And then whatever else seasoning you wanna use, I put about 2 scoops of that, 2 1/4 scoops of that, and then a 1/4 cup of your almond flour. And then just break it up with a fork to get the, like, if your almond flour has like that, and give it a nice mix. This is gonna be your breading. And then over here I have the 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream with the 2 eggs and then 2 tablespoons of water mixed up. And we're going to put our pickles in here, and then we're going to put them in here, and then we're going to put them in there. Step back, I'm sorry. We are going to start by putting them into the Parmesan mixture first, then we're going to dip them into there, and we're going to dip them back into there, and then we're going to put them into the air fryer. That is the way we're doing it. Here, 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 air fryer. All right guys, so here are my fried pickles. Look at them. Look at how cute they are. How freaking adorable. You can get a side of ranch and you can dip these in there, or whatever you want to dip them in. You can use coconut flour, almond flour. Heck, if you're not keto, you can use regular flour. But oh my god, you guys, they're so good and they're so freaking adorable. If you want them crispier, cook them for longer. This one kind of stuck to the bottom of there, but that's okay. Ooh, it's trying to run away. Looks so precious. Okay, that's weird. All right, so I am now cooking my chicken wings in the air fryer. I just used some of my batter because, hey, I had it left. So yeah, let me know down in the description box if you make them a different way, if you've tried this, and don't forget to go check out Joni's page, Keto Diamond channel. You guys are gonna love her.